there?
My queen, it's me.
What happened?
Prince Ogudiniru called off the marriage and headed back home.
What? I've not seen him. He hasn't gotten home.
Where else could he be? I think I know where to find him.
Azubike, what happened?
I'll be right back, my queen.
Ogudiniru, what happened? Where could you have gone?
To me, you were just another friend. When I got to know you, I discovered there were complications in my heart that I needed to uncomplicate. The memories we shared haunt me every day. They make me want to cry. Now I have to forget my old love and embrace my new love. My feelings for you are true. This is the true feeling I have. Remember this. The uniqueness of my jewel is translucent in your eyes, making love lucid. I love you. You make me happy. So happy. I know. I'm sure.
Asante. I've been looking for you everywhere. I, Ogudiniru, love you so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Assumpta, please say something. Say anything.
That was not the plan.
I know. But following the new plan is what matters. I love you and I want you to marry me. Please. Marry me. Marry me. Did you see him?
That's you.
Prince Ogudiniru. He called off the marriage with Princess Kira and headed back home.
What? Jehovah, I know you would do it for me!
Did he come
I know you would do it! Wait, he called off the wedding?
Yes!
But that's not me! Please, take me to him, please. I want you to marry me, please! God has done it for me, take me to him, please! Sometimes, not getting what you want is what you need.
Assumpta, listen to me. You are the most valuable part of my life right now. If you say yes to me, I'll marry you right here, right now, before the world. I love you. Please. 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 Please.
I can't fight it anymore. I love you. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. Help me.
My father used to say that doing the right thing at the wrong time is always consequential. But this one right thing that has the wrong time, yet acceptable. We must hurry and tell the good news to the people of our Nimri kingdom that the king has found the perfect bride. Woo! My prince, congratulations. Oh, perfect. Perfect. This we must hurry.
I am going back to my love. I went far in search of love and do not know that love I seek is close to me. I am a Furaya. All I want is happiness, not a heartbreak. I need a sweet marriage, not the one to manage. Love is Sika, love is Mika, sometimes
things happen for a reason. A broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. Mother, Abudiru left me for a woman kept in his house. They victimized as me. He literally left me for her. Getting such a reason to create such guilt is where you started getting it all wrong. Please imagine it. Put your foot. Strong for your kindness. But this is not about. It's not about being strong. It's about being betrayed here. I did what I felt was good for the both of us. I didn't know it would result to this. I feel sad. Look at me.
Mother! Are you blaming me? Yes. I've missed you. I've missed you too. Welcome back. Thank you.
Welcome back. Hey. Agu. Dinero.
Yes, mother.
Tell me exactly what happened, son. How did the marriage go?
Like I always told you, certain truth may never be told. I may be incapacitated in the eyes, but that is an inability of the mind. Meaning my mind is still very sound and clear. I would have loved to know how the marriage went.
The Odimnobi went to pay her bride price. I rejected. But the one he came back with, I accept. I accept you. Because I love you. I love you.
Mother.
Yes?
Her name is Kira.
Okay.
It is possible we were never meant to be. But I clearly was carried away with the mirage of royalty and social status. However, I thank God that I found treasure in that same place I refused to search. I have found wisdom in the same tongue I refused to listen to. And as for the beauty I have seen in the eyes of your Odinobi, I clearly admitted that I refused to look. But I have just realized that I have learned my lessons in the same journey I refused to embark on. Mother, please. I know I have offended you. As I go on my knees, I plead with you to forgive me. I'm sorry for everything.
Agudinelu, I forgive you. Get up, my son. Get up. I forgive you because your eyes are now opened to reality. Love is called love because it is witnessed by those whose eyes are opened to life's illusion. I would rather you say the ugly truth than be excited by the rightly placed mirage. The relationship was a complete mirage. It was dead on arrival. Now, you can prepare to get married for real.
Thank you, Mother.
I love you so, so much.
I can't believe this. Are you trying to tell me that the prince of this kingdom cancelled his traditional wedding with Princess Kira? Is that what you're telling me?
Eh? Wait, are you saying that? Am I telling you? I'm telling you what is happening. Eh? The prince did not just cancel his marriage. He's planning on marrying my sister, Assumpta. Yes! And the worst of it, Assumpta accepted to marry him. She accepted to marry the prince just to save the plan.
What? Tell me you're joking. Tell me this is a joke, please.
Do I look like I'm joking? Ekene, Do I look like I'm joking? How can I be joking in this kind of situation?
You serious?
Yes. If there is anybody the prince should marry, it should be me and not Assumpta. But I don't know why Assumpta is doing this thing. But if you ask me, I would suggest you rush down to that palace and go and save your wife, Makada Mama. If not, before you know it, Assumpta will no longer be yours, but the prince.
I've had enough. It's okay. Excuse me, I know what to do. I need to do something.
Be fast. Be fast, oh. As I'm talking to you, be fast.
So this is true. My prince, you have been minding your business for a while now. And you refuse to give the royal house a bride. For the beautiful maiden in this kingdom. You want to snatch my woman away from me? So you want to snatch my woman away from me? Is that it?
Young man, who are you?
Who am I?
How did you get it?
I saw you flirting with my woman and you are asking me who am I? How?
Dikeh, what are you doing here?
Oh, I should be asking you that same question. Santa, what are you doing here? Well, if you must know, I'm here to take my fiancée home with me. Santa, let's go home.
Go where? The last I remember, you and I are not a couple.
Let's go away. Huh? Santa, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? My parents are busy preparing for a wedding. I have been flying around different countries for business trips to make more money so I can take care of you, Assumpta. What is wrong with you? What is it?
What else do you know aside money? Do you know me enough to claim that I'm your woman? Do you?
My darling Assumpta, you're beautiful. Baby, you know we've dated for 1 year now, and that is enough time for me to. Yes, I know you very well. My love, do not allow this man to deceive you. Yes, forget about him, it's not important. Forget about this cabbage man. Forget about him, let's go. Forget about him. I've made enough money to take care of you. Please, let's get out of here.
Going with you.
You want what?
Young man, I think you have overstayed your welcome. Please leave.
I should leave your box.
If you don't want troubles, yeah.
You get it. Nwoke Egoniana Sukabaz. Egoniana Sukabaz, I should leave your box. I don't have your time. Santa, let's go.
Go!
I can't leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
I can't leave.
Get your hands off me.
What is going on?
I thought I could have you all to myself. But I was wrong. Time was supposed to heal us. But I'm not healed yet. I've decided to forget about everything we shared in common in the past and move on with my life. Bearing in mind that fate never wanted us to be together. We may be royal, but there's such a great difference between us now. I'm still single. believing that very soon, God will bring me my own better half.
Kira, look at me. I know how you feel. I can see it in your eyes. I know. I deserve all the hate. I deserve everything. But from the bottom of my heart, I apologize for breaking your heart. Please, forgive me. I wish I can turn back the hands of time so I can make things right. But that's why I'm here, to right my wrongs. However, I want you to be happy, because against all odds, we are good friends. And most importantly, I want you to be happy for me. Please. I want your blessings. And the only way you can show it to me is be happy for me. Please.
It's all my fault. If I had not delayed accepting your relationship with my daughter, the love that you share with that girl wouldn't have surfaced, let alone thriving. It's my fault. I am responsible for everything that happened. But sometimes, dangerous delay may cause denial that will change the narratives of history.
I apologize, my great king.
Apology accepted.
Long live the great king of Uruziani Kingdom.
Long live the great king of our new kingdom. I am happy. Thank you.
I am going back to my love. I'm running back to white play. I don't develop love for some time. From deal, we don't enter real love. Love you can be funny, oh, but a serious matter. Love you, they strong, oh, past my imagination. I am going back to my love. Come sorrow be more. Opo mama mukuru no joni mi. Come sorrow be more. Bikonu onya takwana.